In this video, we'll explore how to manage users and roles in ThousandEyes. The users and roles settings provide administrators with various options for managing users and groups, including a flexible role-based access control or RBAC permission system. You can find these settings under the Manage menu in Account Settings or by clicking the Profile button in the platform's top right corner. This page is organized into 4 tabs: Profile, Roles, Users, and Account Groups. Let's review the function of each tab. The Profile tab displays information about your organization's account groups and the roles assigned to you within those groups. From the User Profile section, you can update your username and email, change your password, and set a preferred time zone. If you belong to multiple account groups, you can also select a default login account group, which determines which account group you're placed in when you first log in. Once logged in, you can easily switch between account groups using the Current Account Group selector in the User menu. If you have API access enabled, you'll also see a User API Token section where you can find your API authentication tokens. If you lose a token, you can revoke the existing one and generate a new one from this screen. Just be sure to copy the new token value and store it somewhere safe, as you'll need it to authenticate your API requests. The Roles tab is where you'll configure Role-Based Access Control, or RBAC. You can assign each user one or more predefined roles like Organization Admin, Account Admin, or Regular User, or create a custom role with a tailored set of permissions. This tab shows a table of all security roles defined within your organization, along with the permissions associated with each role. Let's briefly go over the available predefined roles. While you can't delete or edit them directly, you can duplicate any of them and then modify as needed. The Organization Admin role allows users to make changes at the organizational level, meaning the changes apply to all account groups and users within the organization. Users with this role can access any account group, edit security settings, and view billing information. The Account Admin role is similar, but it's limited to making changes within a specific account group. Finally, the Regular User role allows team members to use the platform but prevents them from making any changes at the organizational or account level. If you want to check whether a certain role has a specific permission, simply enter the permission name in the search bar. A check mark will appear by each role that has the desired permission. You can also use the Quick Filter option to search permissions by their related component, or filter your search by keyword for more precise results. To create a new role, click the New Role button. If you need to customize an existing role, just click the pencil icon. Both of these options will take you into role edit mode. When you're finished making changes, be sure to click Save Changes to apply your updates. Now let's look at the Users tab, where you can add or modify ThousandEyes users in your organization. To add a new user, click the New Users button. First, enter the email address that the user will use to log into the ThousandEyes platform. To add multiple users at once, enter multiple email addresses by separating them with commas. Next, select the account groups that the new user will belong to and assign them a role in each of those groups. If you need to assign a user to multiple account groups, just click the Add Account Groups button to add another field and role selector. Then select the default account group that the user will see each time they log in. When you're ready, click Add New Users to finalize the process. After the user account is created, they'll receive an email from the ThousandEyes platform asking them to complete the registration process. To activate their account, they'll need to click the link provided in the email. Once a user is successfully registered, you can see their profile within the User tab. If you see a warning icon, there's a login-related issue that needs to be addressed. Lastly, let's take a look at the Account Groups tab. Users you add to the platform are assigned to one or more account groups, which help organize your ThousandEyes users, agents, and tests. When you select the Account Groups tab, you'll see a list of all account groups within your organization. These groups allow you to manage visibility and access to your account's resources. In the Account Groups tab, you can also see how many users are assigned to each account group, along with the number of enterprise agents associated with them. Each account group can be expanded to view and edit its details. In this section, you can update the account group name, assign or modify enterprise agents, and access the account group token, which is required for enterprise agent installation. The Enterprise Agents drop-down menu lets you select or view the agents shared within the current account group. To add a new account group, click on the New Account Group button, give it a unique name, and assign the Enterprise Agents you want to make available for test within this group. That covers the essentials of user and access management in ThousandEyes. We've walked through how to manage user profiles, configure roles with specific permissions, add new users to your organization, and organize them effectively using account groups. Thanks for watching.